Hey guys, are you worried about making video because someone might see it? Well, isn't that the whole point? I hope millions and millions of people see this video right now. But it's the negative comments that kill people's dreams, okay? When you go to Thanksgiving dinner and Uncle Bob gets in your ear and he starts yakking and yakking, this is a scam, this is a pyramid scheme, you're throwing your money away, what's wrong with you? Good news is it's working. Uncle Bob's seen it. Just make sure there's nothing blocking your right ear when he's talking in your left ear. This way it can go in one ear and out the other. Don't let it bother you. Your videos are working. Uncle Bob's seen it. Listen, if there's people that are making negative comments on your videos, welcome it with open arms, okay? Let them sit there and click, 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 type a whole negative paragraph about you. How you're this and you're that, and you look like an old man, and you should be on radio, not video. Who cares? What I've learned is the whole time they're writing that paragraph, your video is looping in the background, and looping in the background, and looping in the background. And guess what? That's good for the algorithm. It's good for business. There are people who actually make videos looking for these people that are going to put negative comments in their comments just so they get the algorithm to see their videos, and it's looping in the background. Just respond to them. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate your time. Have a nice day. That's all. Don't let that bring you down. There's a lot of sharks in the water, and they're going to be there, okay? As far as people at work, there is a guy that was making YouTube videos, and he got really famous. And one of his coworkers happened to mention to his wife, hey, I didn't know your husband was TikTok famous. That's what it was. And her response was, neither did I. And he had to stop doing this business for about 8 months. But he's back in it now because it's such a lucrative business. There are people making 5, 6, 7, 8-figure incomes from affiliate marketing. These people have taken and built big courses and trainings and teachings, and they've taken this to the next level. But affiliate marketing absolutely works. You just can't give up on yourself because there's naysayers out there. You got to embrace them, okay? So don't let Uncle Bob destroy Thanksgiving dinner. Don't let people at work bring you down. And as far as people at work, man, I see you. I know you're out there. Okay? I don't care. Listen, I'm working on my retirement plan. Do your thing. My name's Jim Kaiser. I appreciate you watching this video. Don't let the naysayers get you down.